In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open multiple charts in TradingView, both the free way and the paid way. Whether you're comparing different time frames, tracking multiple assets, or analyzing correlations between markets, having more than one chart visible at the same time can seriously improve your workflow. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, let's talk about the free method because anyone can do this without upgrading their TradingView plan. Free method, using multiple tabs plus window snap. If you're using a free TradingView account, you can't open multiple charts inside the same layout. But here's the simple workaround. Open your first chart in TradingView, then open a second chart in a new browser tab. Just duplicate the tab or open a new one and load a different chart. Now use your computer's window snap feature, window snap assist or max split view. Drag one tab to the left side of your screen. Drag the other tab to the right side. Your screen now displays two charts at once, completely free. You can repeat this with more windows if your screen space allows. It's not as seamless as the paid layout, but it works extremely well if you're just getting started. Paid method, multi-chart layouts, TradingView Pro and above. If you have a paid TradingView plan, you get access to a much cleaner and more powerful feature, multi-chart layouts. Here's how to use it. Look at the top right corner of your chart. Find the multi-chart layout icon. It looks like a grid or small squares. Click on it and TradingView will show multiple layout options. 2 charts, 4 charts, 6 charts, 8 charts, even more depending on your plan. Just click the layout you want and TradingView instantly arranges all your charts inside one workspace. You can set each chart to different symbols, different time frames, different indicators, different chart types, candles, line, Heiken Ashi, etc. This is extremely useful if you want to monitor price action, volume, and momentum across multiple pairs or markets at once. Multi-chart layouts also stay synced with your layout settings, so when you save your chart layout, all charts are saved together. And that's everything you need to know about opening multiple charts in TradingView, either for free using browser tabs and window snapping, or with a paid plan using the built-in multi-chart feature. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.